Welcome to GRiPOFlow. GRiPOFlow is an all-in-one workflow automation platform that helps you automate almost anything you can imagine. From cloud operations and DevOps pipelines to security tasks, business processes, and even AI-powered workflows, GRiPOFlow allows you to connect your tools, design smart workflows, and let automation do the work for you. In this workflow, we'll scan JavaScript packages for vulnerabilities and automatically send the full report through email. Before we start creating the workflow, make sure that you already have a connection of OpenCode configured. So now, let's get started. First, we are going to create a sandbox for OpenCode. Go to the Sandbox tab and click on the Create Sandbox button. A form will appear with 4 steps. In the first step, provide the basic details. Enter the sandbox name. Add a short description. In the type field, select SSH from the dropdown. Keep the language as JavaScript. Set the time limit according to your requirement. For this tutorial, we are using 200. In the backend field, choose Docker in worker limit, select 1. After filling in all the required fields, click on the Next button to continue. In the second step, you will configure the sandbox image. GRiPOFlow provides predefined image configurations, but since we are setting up OpenCode, we will use a custom setup. In the Image Configuration section, select Custom. In the Image field, type OpenCode. A list of available OpenCode images will appear. Select the image based on your requirement. Once selected, click on the Next button to continue. In the third step, you will configure the resources and security settings for your sandbox. Set concurrency to 1. Set RAM to 2000 MB. You can adjust this based on your requirement. Set CPU to your preferred limit. For this tutorial, we are choosing 80. Now move to the security section. In Security option, select App Armor Docker Default from the dropdown. In the User field, select Root. Keep privilege set to false. After configuring all settings, click on the Next button to continue. In the final step, you will configure advanced options for your OpenCode sandbox. Enable SSH from the dropdown. Set max log files according to your requirement. For this tutorial, we choose 2. Set max log size to 1. If you want to connect with GitHub, you can select it from the dropdown. In this case, we are skipping it. For volume, select Packages Volume from the dropdown. Make sure you have already created a volume for your sandbox. If not, you can go to the Sandbox section and create a new volume before proceeding. Once everything is configured, click on Create Sandbox. That's it! Your OpenCode sandbox is successfully created. As you can see, the OpenCode sandbox is now available in the list of sandboxes. You can train your AI agent based on your requirements directly using the terminal inside the sandbox. Click on the terminal icon in front of the sandbox to open it. To create a folder, use mkdir folder name. To list all files and folders, use LSSA verify OpenCode access. Now let's confirm that OpenCode is working correctly. Simply type OpenCode. If it opens successfully, it means you now have full access to OpenCode inside the sandbox. From here, you can run commands, train your AI agent, customize behavior based on your workflow needs. I have already created 3 sandboxes for this setup. The Get Packages JSON sandbox fetches all packages from the GitHub repository. The Review Packages JSON sandbox scans all vulnerabilities in the packages. The Template Report sandbox generates a complete report of all detected vulnerabilities. Now let's automate this entire process using a workflow. For this, click on the Workflow section. Click on the Create button. 2 steps will appear. In the first step, give a name to your workflow. Add a short description related to this workflow. Select the number of retries as needed, add relevant tags, and choose On Demand as the trigger type. Click on the Next button. I'm skipping this step since I only want to create a simple workflow. If needed, you can create variables here. Now, click on the Submit button. Now the workflow is created. Click on the plus button to add a new node. From the Applications list, select Sandbox. Choose Bash from the Action list. Now a form will appear on the screen. Inside the form, select Get Packages JSON Sandbox from the drop-down list. Then move to the script field. Here, write the script. Now this script will fetch the packages from the GitHub repository. Click on the Submit button. Once submitted, the first sandbox is added successfully. Now click on the plus button again to add another step. From the Applications list, choose Sandbox. Again, select Bash from the Action list. Now, from the Sandbox dropdown, choose Review Packages JSON Sandbox. After that, go to the Script field and paste the script for this sandbox. This sandbox will scan all the JSON packages, check for vulnerabilities, outdated versions, and security issues. After adding the script, click on the Submit button. Now the workflow will review and analyze all package files automatically. Now we will create the final vulnerability report. For this, add another sandbox. Click on the plus button. Select Sandbox from the Applications list. Then choose Bash from the Action list. Now, from the dropdown, select Template Report Sandbox. Go to the Script field and paste the script for generating the report. This sandbox will create a complete formatted report using the scanned package results. After adding the script, click on the Submit button. We will send this report through email automatically. Click on the plus button again. Select Email from the Applications list. A form will appear. Fill all the required details, then click on the Submit button. Now your workflow is ready. Click on the Save button to save the workflow. After saving, click on the Run button to check whether the workflow is working correctly or not. The workflow will now fetch packages from the GitHub repository, review package vulnerabilities, generate a complete report, and send the report automatically through email. You can also monitor every step of the workflow by opening the Execution section, where all activity logs, outputs, and errors are available in real time. As you can see, the JavaScript package vulnerability report has been successfully sent to the configured email address. With GRiPOFlow, you can automate complex security and DevOps tasks using AI agents and sandboxes without manual effort, making your workflows faster, smarter, and more reliable. Thank you for watching.